What up, guys? It's Isaac from the GT Event Group. I got Smooth with me. Hey, I didn't get on that level. I can't do it. We just got done picking up Captain Ryan. We're about to head to, yeah, there you go. We're about to head, where are we gonna head? Oh, we're gonna go look at some taco trucks.
Yeah.
We're going down.
And then what are we doing? We're going WCR?
Yeah, and then we're, oh yeah. Then we got an event to do.
Let's do it, let's go. What happened?
So, we get to choose between two different suites. And I asked if I could take a look at them before we choose, and they were pretty cool about it, so.
Cesar stated this one.
Who?
¿Lo has escuchado, Cesar?
Which one is Smooth? The view or the size?
Yeah, view or size?
Let's do tails for the view.
Okay. Patriots win the Super Bowl.
Tails for the view.
Tell me. Patriots win the Super Bowl.
And may Women's Council of Realtors continue to rock it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaac from the GTE Event Group. WCR, I just want to say thank you so much. I had a blast. I think your guests had a blast. And I got to tell you, I can't wait for next year because I know I'm going to see you then. Peace.